In this video, I'm going to share with you another cool way to get free Google Slide templates and free PowerPoint presentation templates. It is so easy. All you have to do is select this button right here that says check out all the free templates. Here I'm on Slides Mania. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and show you a number of different samples that you can choose from. That's completely free. And I'm going to scroll down. I mean, look at how cute these templates are. They're certificate templates. I'm going to go to the next page. This one's like a digital planner. I mean, that's adorable. This one's really cute too. So I'm going to go ahead and say, I click on that, open it to a new tab. And it says, welcome to class for warm-up slides, breakout rooms, or rotation. Okay. Accept. And then so you can download it as a PowerPoint presentation or open it in Google Slide. And that's how easy it is. If any of these look interesting, you can go ahead and download that. I'm going to go over here. This looks really cute too. And if any of these interest you, you could definitely pin it for later use. If you are ready, you can go ahead and download it as a PowerPoint presentation or open it as a Google Slide. Okay. And I mean, how cute are these templates? So cute. And the great thing about this website is it has so many templates that are available for free. So I hope you find one that suits your needs, and I hope you found this video to be useful.